What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe down below. So today's video was trying to figure out why my oil light was on. Like, it just comes on when I'm driving and then it goes away, and then it comes on and it goes away, and it stays on for like however long I'm driving. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and it just goes away. So I found the problem. It is the oil pressure switch, and I'll show you where it's at. So I left my fans on so the car can cool off properly. But the tools you're gonna need are 24mm and a 24mm socket, and I'll show you. So where are you at? Here is the old one. So before I did anything, I disconnected the battery, both positive and negative. And this is a 1985 BMW 318i. And the oil pressure switch is back here next to the distributor. Not up front on the other ones on the videos. They said they're under the car, and it wasn't. So let me try, just in case you guys can't hear me. But you need two tools. 24mm, both. I also did an oil change. Yeah, I thought that was the problem too, but I looked online and they said the oil pressure switch. And it's right here. This bad boy. So this comes off. Oh, it's hot right now. And then you pull the electrical pin from it, and then you take it off. Oil will spill from here, so get ready for that. And then you just put the new one on. I'll link it down from FCP Euro, but this is a 1985 318. So yeah, that it is. So yeah, I did an oil change, and my rear main seal is leaking too, so that's another story for this car. I got it off Bring a Trailer. I'll do a whole video. It's going to be a year in December that I've had this car. And I'm supposed to do periodic updates on it. But my original fan went out, so I put another fan with zip ties. And then the alternator went out. The water pump went out. I asked the guy if it leaked, and then he said no, it didn't leak, but it does. But short video, guys. All right, peace out.